Good afternoon, students. Sorry, I supposed to send that video before, but I have problem with the internet and the light. So the first exercise you have here is draw the part being added to 6, 7, or 8. Think of making 10. Complete the addition sentence. So here we start first thinking of the 8. So you have in your book 8 circle in red color. So now the thing you're going to do is that you add the other colors, and I'm gonna use pink, but you can use red too, because you get 6 here. So you start with 8 and then plus 6. So you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So finally, you see that in this group, you already have 10. So this group represents the 10. So here you have 10. Yeah, remember that part? Okay, so if you have 10 there, so how much you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you got 4 here. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay, before we go that, we remember 8 and then 6. You put 2 here. So this 2, you write it here 2 because of the 2 you got here. And then you write 4 because of the 4 of this group. 4. But all of this represent number 10, yeah? 8 plus 2. Yeah, so this represents the 10, 8 plus 2. So if you have 10 plus 4, your answer is 14. So we're going to do the same thing here. But in this case, we have triangles. So we have the purple triangles. So you start adding the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now you also have a group of 10 here. Have a group of 10, so you count 10. You have 7 and then you add 3. And then you have 2 here. Yeah. Okay, but before that, you have 3 here that represent the ones you need to get to 10. 3, and then you have a 2 here alone. So you say 7 plus the 3 here is 10. And 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay? So now you know the idea is that you form a group of 10 and then you add the rest of the numbers. So get here a green thing, you get 8 green squares, and then you start counting the 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 square. So you got 2 here, that's why you write 2, but then you also have 2 here. And then 2 plus 8, you got the group of 10. So this is 10. And you got a group of 2 here. How much is 10 plus 2? 10 plus 2? Yeah, it's the same as the other exercise. Your answer is going to be 12. Okay, so this exercise is just the same. You got 6, and then you have to say 6 plus 8. Okay, so you start putting the 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, you form a group of 10 because you complete this. And then you start counting. How much do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So how many red do you add? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 make the group of 10. 6 plus 4 make it 10. And then you have this group alone that is form of 4 too. So you say 6 plus 4 is 10. And 10 plus 4 is 14. Good job. So here's the same. You have the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. And then you add 5 more. 6 plus 5. And you say 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's complete. So you put the other one here. 5. Again, you get 10 here. And you get 1 alone here. Okay? So what is the answer? 6. You got 6 with yellow, and then you finish how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. To complete the 10, 6 plus 4, and then you have 1 alone, 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Good job. Okay, let's go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 8 here. And then say plus 3. Okay, so you start adding 1, 2, 3. Okay, this group is 10. And then I have 1 here again. So remember, how much do I got here? 1, 2, correct. And then how much do I got here? 1, okay? So you got 8 plus 2 is 10. You form a group of 10. And 10 plus 1, it's 11. Good job. Let's go to the next exercise. Mrs. saw 8 rams on the mountain, and she saw 5 rams in the grass. How many rams did Missy see? Hmm. So got 8, and then down get 5. So you can use different way of counting, but if you can start saying 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job. Remember, you can use your fingers too. You still can use your fingers to count. That's a good way of doing it. Okay, so this exercise is just the same. We're going to draw a part being added to 6, 7, or 8, thinking of making a group of 10, then complete the addition sentence. So here you have 6. So you start writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you add number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so again, you form a group of 10. It's 6 blue, and how many reds? 4 red. 4 red. And here you got a group of 4. You just write. Think that 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, it's 10, and then plus 4, how much is it? So 10 plus 4 equals 14. So 6 plus 8 equals 14. Let's go to the other exercise. 7 plus 6, just the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, green one, green fishes, and then you add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you start counting and you say you got 10 and you got 6, 7 yellows and 3 pink ones. So you got 3 pink ones, and then you add the other 3. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. And then 10 plus 3 equals 13. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. Okay, so this one is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yellow fishes. And then you add 5, 1. Oh, sorry. Oh, what happened? My fault. Sorry. Okay, so let me get to the page. Oh my God, something happened. Okay, finally I'm here. So you start counting 8 plus the 2 pink ones. So you got Exactly. That's 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, it's 10. And 10 plus, how much do you get there? Plus 3. So now you say 8 plus 2 is 10. And 10 plus 3, 13. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Here says 7 fishes. There are 5 fishes there's here on the bottom. So how many fish are in the tank? You count 7 plus 5, it's 12. And then you answer number 12 here. So the last exercise, it's making a group of 5 and then counting 3 plus 2. Yes, job. 3 plus 2. So the answer is, oh, sorry. And continue doing the exercise, but I think we're gonna finish here. So I'm having some